Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start with linear algebra, calculus, probability, and statistics, focusing on matrix operations, derivatives, distributions, and hypothesis testing. Learn practical programming. Python plus one data-focused language like R, use Git for version control, and SQL for querying relational databases. Prioritize applied exercises. Clean noisy data, create reproducible Jupyter or R Markdown notebooks, and produce clear EDA visualizations. Practice reading documentation and implementing algorithms from first principles, then master supervised and unsupervised methods including linear models, decision trees and ensembles, SVM, clustering, and dimensionality reduction techniques like PCA. Use scikit-learn for baseline models and TensorFlow or PyTorch for deep learning experiments, and practice hyperparameter tuning with grid or Bayesian search while using cross-validation. Learn deployment. Convert a trained model into an API, containerize it with Docker, orchestrate with lightweight tools, and set up monitoring that tracks latency, accuracy drift, and resource usage in production. Build a portfolio of 4-6 polished projects that demonstrate problem framing, data pipelines, feature engineering, model selection, and clear evaluation with metrics like AUC or RMSE. Network in professional communities, contribute to open source, and practice technical interviews. Coding challenges, system design for data workflows, and case studies centered on trade-offs. Plan continuous learning. Read recent papers, take targeted courses, and set 3-6-month goals to level up skills such as ML ops, causal inference, or big data tooling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.